We are on the rear seat of the Micra based Sunny sedan. So I want to show you feature wise what is different compared to the Micra as well as some of the specialities of this particular car. So the first thing that you notice once you step into the cabin of the car are these two vents. So if you see these two vents, these are not air conditioning vents, these are just fans. So they have this two-speed speed control present here. They basically pull out the air from the front of the cabin and they then pass it on to the rear passengers. See, notice that there is no temperature control. All this while we've been thinking that this is the rear AC vent, as you see it on the Volkswagen Vento or the Indigo XL. So this is not the case. Apart from that, the cabin itself at the rear feels very spacious. It probably has a class leading space and comfort. There is a beautiful center armrest which is going to come in handy for passengers who are traveling over long distances. There is a height adjustable headrest, so people of different heights can sit here. That is one thing that people will love. And of course the headroom itself, for example, if I'm over 6 foot tall, I'm an overgrown adult and I can sit very comfortably in this car. If you see the amount of headroom that is available, and then if you see amount of shoulder room, it's very comfortable. Some people might not want to have the central armrest because they want to probably widen their legs a little bit while on a long drive, or to stretch a little bit more, so they can probably push this up. The rear leg space, if you ask me, the knee room and also place where you place your foot, the footwell, they both are also generously they have generous amounts of room. So this definitely is a rear seat car, unlike the Micra. The Micra did not have a lot of rear seat comfort. It was never meant to have plenty of rear seat comfort because it was a city hatchback. But this one, unlike the Micra, though based on the Micra, has plenty of room for the rear passengers.